As a content creator, your online presence is everything. A reliable website is the foundation for showcasing your work, engaging your audience, and building your brand. This is where Bluehost steps in as a powerful ally. It offers robust hosting solutions designed to support your creative journey, from video portfolios to bustling blogs. Choosing the right host ensures your content is always accessible and performs optimally. For video creators, site speed and uptime are non-negotiable. Bluehost provides the stability needed to handle traffic spikes when your latest video goes viral. It ensures your audience experiences seamless navigation and quick loading times. Their infrastructure is optimized for performance, which directly impacts user experience and search engine rankings. This means more eyes on your valuable video content. Bluehost offers one-click WordPress installation, making it incredibly simple to launch and manage your content hub. WordPress is the preferred platform for millions of creators, offering unparalleled flexibility and customization. You can easily integrate video players, galleries, and e-commerce solutions. Performance is paramount, and Bluehost delivers with solid-state drives and optimized servers. This translates to faster loading speeds for your video embeds and portfolio pages. A quick site keeps your audience engaged and reduces bounce rates. Security is another critical aspect. Bluehost includes free SSL certificates, protecting your site and your visitors' data. This builds trust and is essential for secure transactions if you sell products or services. Their customer support is available 24/7, ready to assist with any technical challenges. This peace of mind allows you to focus on what you do best, creating compelling content. As your audience grows, Bluehost's scalable plans ensure your website can handle increasing traffic without a hitch. Setting up your website with Bluehost is a straightforward process. Their intuitive control panel guides you through domain registration and hosting setup. You can launch your professional online presence in just a few clicks. This ease of use means less time spent on technicalities and more time dedicated to producing your next great video. Bluehost provides a comprehensive and reliable hosting solution tailored for content creators. Its blend of performance, security, and user-friendliness makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a strong online foundation. Empower your creative vision with a host that truly supports your growth.